Asparagus, which is tall and green. B is for broccoli, which is a tree like green. C is for carrot, which is orange and sweet. D is for daikon, which is a crunchy treat. E is for eggplant, which is and round. F is for fennel, which grown in the ground. G is for garlic, which is a spicy flair. H is for horseradish, which is with care. I is for iceberg, which is crisp and cool. J is for jet camera, which is twisty and smooth. K is for kale, which is a leafy green. L is for leek, which is long and lean. Mem is for mushroom, which is soft and small. N is for nut cabbage, which is tall and tall. O is for okra, which is slim and bright. P is for pumpkin, which is a fall delight. Q is for quinoa, which is not quite a pea. R is for radish, which is spicy and free. S is for spinach, which is green and light. T is for tomato, which is red and bright. U is for red bean, which is tiny and neat. V is for vine peas, which is fresh and sweet. W is for watercress, which is crisp and cool. X is for sequoia, which is a melon that's cool. Y is for yam, which is sweet and gold. Z is for zucchini, which is stories told.